In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to put first name in email on Getresponse. Adding a subscriber's first name to your emails is one of the easiest ways to make your campaigns feel more personal and engaging. Instead of a generic message that could be for anyone, you can greet people directly and make your communication feel more like a one-on-one conversation. In this walkthrough, I'll show you the simple, direct way to do that inside the Getresponse email marketing editor. First, go ahead and open the email you want to work on in the email marketing editor. This can be a new email you're creating from scratch or an existing one you've already started. Once the editor loads, you'll see your email layout with different content blocks like text, images, and buttons. Next, click inside any text block where you want the first name to appear. This might be in your greeting line, for example near hi or hey, or even later in the body of your message if you want to reference the subscriber by name again. Just place your cursor exactly where you want the name to show up, as if you were about to type it in yourself. Now, look at the toolbar at the top of the editor. You'll see an icon that looks like a person's silhouette with a small plus sign next to it. This is the personalization icon. Go ahead and click that icon. This tells Getresponse that you want to insert a dynamic value, something that changes for each subscriber, instead of plain static text. When you click the personalization icon, a drop-down list will appear with different personalization options. From that list, choose First Name. This tells the editor to pull the first name from your contact list for each person who receives the email. As soon as you select First Name, Getresponse will automatically insert a small piece of code right where your cursor was. It will look like this, double square brackets around the word First Name. You don't need to edit or change this code. Just leave it exactly as it appears. In the editor, it looks like code, but when you send the email, Getresponse will replace that code with each subscriber's actual first name. At this point, you can continue writing your email around that placeholder. When you're ready, send a test email to yourself so you can double-check how it looks. Once everything looks good, your personalized email is ready to go.